Welcome back to How To with Sonny. In this video, I'll show you how to take a screenshot on a laptop using two quick and easy methods. Whether you want to save something on your screen, add it to a document, or share it with someone, this guide has you covered. Let's get started. Method 1. Keyboard shortcut. The fastest way to take a screenshot is by using a keyboard shortcut. Simply press Windows plus Shift plus S at the same time. Your screen will dim, and the Snipping Tool will appear at the top of the screen. Click and drag your mouse to select the area you want to capture, then release the mouse button. Your screenshot is instantly copied to your clipboard, and you'll also see a notification. Click the notification if you want to edit or save the screenshot immediately. Finding your screenshot. To locate your saved screenshots, open File Explorer, then click Pictures, followed by Screenshots. If you don't see your latest screenshot right away, sort the folder by date modified so the newest file appears at the top. Method 2. Using the Snipping Tool. You can also take screenshots manually using the built-in Snipping Tool. Click the Start menu and search for Snipping Tool, then open the app. Select New, choose the area you want to capture, and your screenshot will open in the editor. From there, you can crop, annotate, or save the image wherever you'd like. And that's it! Those are the easiest ways to take a screenshot on an Asus laptop. Thanks for watching How To with Sonny. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more simple tech guides, and I'll see you in the next video.